Here's how you can share Word on a Google Meet materials using the iPad. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. So, of course, what you can go ahead and do is make sure you are signed in to your Meet app and you have your meetings ready, that you are joined, whatever. And once you are in here, there are more ways how you can share some materials or some things with the participants. For example, you can click on the three dots at the bottom and proceed to the tools right here, and you can see the people information and the chat, right? So for example, you can paste the text directly into the chat. People might be able to see it, so that's one way of sharing some text from the Word. Or you can even paste here the link to your Google Drive files, whatever, right? That is a nice way to put it right here. And also that there are like the people which you can add, so the tools are right here. However, if you want to just share it like over the call, like as your screen, you can click on the sharing icon, which is the rectangle with arrow up, and then you will perform the sharing of the screen, right? So you can like mirror what's going on your iPad, and you can also just share your document or whatever by showing it on your iPad and making it like broadcasted to the Meet app. So you can also do it this way if that's the thing you have in mind. You have another possibility like this. So it depends, right? But as I said, most likely if it's like a material for studying or whatever, it would make sense to literally just have it available as a shareable link. As I quickly mentioned at the beginning, like if you have the file uploaded to Google Drive, you can click on the three dots next to it and kind of like make it a shareable over link, and you can just paste the link into the chat, right? And that's how you can make sure that everyone can access it, as if it's like a learning material or something. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.